Hi, today in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a Notion form into PDF files, and we're going to specifically talk about form I-9. As you can see, I have created a simple form over here, and once the user clicks on submit, the entries will come under the responses view in this database. I've already added two entries out of the particular form, and now I'm looking to create PDFs or automation whenever a new entry will appear in the database. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDF Output, which will help me create PDFs on automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So Notion database is where all the information is already contained, and a Google document is what I'll be using to edit as a template to convert to PDFs. You can create any reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that you're looking to create on scale in your business with this automation tool. Click on create PDF and quickly sign in, and then I will show you how the automation will work. So I'm going to quickly sign in over here, and then we will see the rest of the steps. The first thing which we need to do after we sign in is we need to add the database for this. I already have this database available which I'm looking to add. After we add the database, we need to connect a document to the database, and finally we need to map all the fields of the database one by one onto the document to create the PDF. So click on add Notion database, and this will help us to add the database. And meanwhile, let me copy the entire database title which we have. So I've just copied this title and I will put it inside the selection screen. So click on select pages and put the title inside the search pages field over here. You should be able to see the form populate over here. Click on this and the form is now added up. So whenever you are entering any particular database to be added up, always put it inside the search pages and then add it. Do not add the database by selecting these top level pages from here, because if you do that, the experience will not be smooth and the database may not be added correctly. Also, if your database is connected with other databases through relation properties, so let's say my form I-9 is connected with database A and database B through relation properties, I also need to add database A and database B inside the search pages so that all the PDF that will be created will have all the relation and roller values appear correctly in the document. Otherwise, the relation and roller values will not be visible. Click on allow access, and now you should get access to the database, which we are going to use for the automation steps. If you click on the drop down, you should be able to see the particular form appear over here. If it is still not yet visible, simply click on reload database once or twice and your particular form should definitely be appearing. Sometimes it takes a while to load the database, so please be patient, but if you hit reload database once or twice, it should definitely be visible in the drop down over here. So please have some patience on this, but you should be able to see the form. Click on this, and if you scroll down, you should be able to see all the properties of the particular form loaded up over here. Now let's add the document for this. And if you already have any existing document which you want to use in this process, you can go with the existing document option and select the document that is available on your end. Okay. I don't have any such document available, so what I will do instead is I will go with a demo document. So click on add document and click on add demo document. It will create me a new document with all the placeholders automatically added for me. Okay. So as you can see, this has created me a document over here and every placeholder of the main database. So let me remove the ones which I do not need. So every placeholder of this database is automatically visible over here, one below the other in the placeholder section. So we have employee name, we have address, we have citizenship. All the fields are coming from the database that we have over here with the placeholders automatically created. So when the PDF will be generated, all these placeholders that you see inside double curly brackets will be replaced with the values from the database that we see over here, and then the PDF file will be generated. If you want to manually add any property, so let's say I want to add document title and number, click on copy, go to the document wherever you want to add it, and you can simply use Ctrl V or Command V on your keyboard. So you can use a keyboard shortcut Ctrl V and Command V. It will automatically add the property onto the document. So you can go ahead and add any property onto the document by copying and pasting. It will automatically map the field onto the document for a use case. Besides this, you want to define how the PDF file should be named. So I want to define the PDF file by the employee name that we have over here. So I will simply select employee name from the drop down and all the files will be named as per that. And if I go to the database once again, I should be able to see this few additional columns which is visible over here. So we have generate PDF column, we have a PDF file column. If any record is marked as ready to generate, the PDF file will be created for those specific records, and then they will be stored in the PDF file column over here. So finally, let's click on download PDF. We should be able to see the PDF getting downloaded onto the downloads folder, as well as the PDF will be stored in the PDF file column over here. So you should be able to see the PDFs appearing over here in the database, and you can see it has marked as completed and the document is already here. Click on this and you should be able to see the document with all the placeholders automatically added up for you. Okay. So every placeholder has been replaced with the values from the database that we had, and it has been created on the document right over here. Let's open up the second file, and this also has all the placeholders already created with all the files automatically added with our use case. So this completes the demonstration of how you are going to generate the PDF right from PDF output. But the best part of this tool is once everything works correctly, click on Setup Notion Automation, and now this will automate the process of generating PDF forever, which means you do not need to use PDF output to set up everything from scratch to create the PDF. The moment the user clicks on submit and a new entry appears over here, you simply mark it as ready to generate and the PDF directly gets created in the PDF file over here. So this makes the process truly effortless and the automation happens 24/7, 365 days to create unlimited PDFs. As the moment you set it as ready to generate, the PDF will directly get created in the PDF file section. So this removes any unnecessary requirement of setting up everything from scratch in the PDF output dashboard to create the PDF, as all the automations happen directly inside the database for a use case. I hope this explanation was clear to you. If you still have got any questions, use this chat bubble and send me a message with your queries on this. I'll be able to address the same. Or you can go to the contact section at the bottom of the home page where I will be able to help you with any of the issues which might be facing. And once you send me a message, I'll be able to address the same as well. You can even book a free demonstration where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and make the best advantage of this automation available.